Just been reading a book by Deepak Chopra, and I wanted to talk about it because he's starting to blow my mind a little bit. Um, Deepak talks about the physical world, the quantum world, and then the virtual world. The physical world being the physical structures, the solid objects, or the things we see throughout our daily lives, what we are, the things we can touch, things we can perceive as being solid, but when you go into the quantum world, we find that underlying all that is just energy, vibrational energy. If you zoom in close enough to solid objects, we realize that there's just atoms that are bouncing against each other, constantly moving. The closer you go, the more you realize that everything's moving, everything's giving off an energy. Like we are, like us humans, we give off energy. That underneath all that is just a soup of energy that we are all connected to. But our senses can't grasp that. So the energy is there, but our senses are not attuned to it, so we don't see it. So a lot of people refuse to acknowledge that fact, but everything is energy. The third stage is the virtual world, the spiritual world, which is where the energy is orchestrated from. So in this place, there is infinite potential. There's infinite possibilities. So the spiritual world, or the soul that orchestrates everything, is creating our lives, whether we realize it or not. So tapping into this place is where we can start to create anything we want through the energy that is brought out into the physical world. So there's lots of different ways we can tap into this place or this realm. Talk about them a lot in my other videos, and I plan to talk about them a lot in the future, so stay tuned.